Frustrated with the Cggl library DLL pop-up blocking NVIDIA? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. As we prepare to resolve Cggl library, consider using the diagnostic path below to ensure a stable environment for your libraries. This is the Cggl library, the NVIDIA Cg OpenGL runtime library. It manages the unmanaged execution of C for graphics, Cg, shaders on the GPU, mandatory for older 3D games and professional 3D tools to render hardware-accelerated materials. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. Cggl is typically part of a game's graphics stack. Install the latest Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime using the official web installer to restore legacy D3DX, X-input, or X-audio components, then update your GPU drivers if the file is OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA related. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Cggl library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. If the library remains missing, you should manually clear the program's cache and then download the latest build from the developer's website. Removing the old application data before running the new setup ensures that your DLL file is correctly placed in the root directory without interference from legacy files. Why are we doing this? Well, many applications will try to use existing local data even after a reinstall, and manually clearing the folders forces the software to establish a fresh connection to its dependencies. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Safety first, never attempt to replace Cggl library DLL with files found on random download portals. These sites lack quality control and often distribute files that are incompatible with modern Windows updates. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. For long-term system reliability, the repair resource linked in the description includes information on managing Cggl library references. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped Cggl library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.